Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris and this is Restoration Rescue. So last week we came in and we were able to refurb the valve cover, and now we are on to the oil pan of the engine. So hopefully that we can get this thing ready so that when the engine comes back from the machine shop, whenever it gets there, we start putting this thing back together with some beautiful parts that we have restored. So what we're going to do is we're going to go quiet again like we did last week and start restoring this thing. So that thing looks absolutely incredible. The black is perfect, and I am super excited how that came out, and the valve cover. We have a couple other random parts that we're going to be doing through this series of the restoration of this Datsun. Now, we have the dash almost done, ready for just a flat black paint that I don't really care about. I don't know if I'm going to actually show that during the build. We also have the whole body to start. There is some rust on the frame that I really need to start handling, which I may start bringing the car in back to the garage and start killing that rust. So that might come up next week, but that's going to be wrapped for this Saturday here at Restoration Rescue. And the reason why we're doing videos like this is it's also like 150 degrees here where we are. The East Coast is getting absolutely annihilated with heat, but that's another story. So we've gotten this done. We'll see you guys next Saturday when we continue working on the Datsun.